Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this key fob. This is out of a Toyota Sequoia. You do not need any tools, but you are going to need one of these 2450 batteries, and you can get these off Amazon. I've included a link in the description below. First thing you want to do is on the back side, there's a little catch right here. Slide that this way and pull out your mechanical key. Now, take your mechanical key and insert it in this slot right here. It's specifically designed to help you separate the halves nice and easily. Now that you have that open, you can just take your mechanical key and insert it right here. Just gently pry out your dead battery. Your new battery will go in positive side facing up, and you want to start on this side first and then clip it under these two. These are pretty fragile, so you do need to be careful. After that, you can test it once you clip this together. Line that up and clip it together, and there you go. You got your red light. No need to reprogram. Replace your key, and you're back in business. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button.